Early on Saturday morning, the Venezuelan capital of Caracas was shaken by a series of explosions and loud noises that sent residents running for cover. Witnesses reported seeing thick columns of smoke rising from the southern parts of the city, near a major military base. Electricity was reportedly cut off in these areas, adding to the sense of chaos and fear among locals. Videos obtained by Reuters captured the dramatic scene, multiple blasts lighting up the night sky, followed by successive detonations and rising smoke that painted a terrifying picture over the city. At this point, authorities have not released a detailed explanation of what triggered the blasts. Residents described the situation as frightening and unprecedented in scale, and many reported fearing for their safety. The explosions come at a time of heightened tension between Venezuela and the United States. President Donald Trump has repeatedly warned of potential land operations in Venezuela as part of an ongoing campaign to pressure President Nicolás Maduro to leave office. This approach has included expanded economic sanctions, a stronger U.S. military presence in the region, and more than 24 strikes on vessels suspected of drug trafficking in both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. While the Pentagon has not responded to requests for comment, the series of explosions in Caracas adds to concerns about the possibility of further escalation. Analysts say that incidents like this underline the fragile security situation in the country and the risks faced by ordinary citizens. For those living in the southern districts of Caracas, the situation has disrupted daily life, with power outages affecting homes, businesses, and communications, leaving people uncertain about what will happen next. International observers are closely monitoring developments, while locals watch from their windows as helicopters reportedly flew over the city in the hours following the explosions. Many are questioning whether these helicopters were part of a response by Venezuelan security forces, a preventive measure to maintain order, or something else entirely. In any case, the sight of military aircraft hovering over residential areas has added to the tension and anxiety. This incident highlights the ongoing political and military pressures in Venezuela, where citizens are caught in the middle of international disputes. While the full details of the explosions are yet to be confirmed, the event has already drawn global attention. Caracas residents continue to cope with the immediate aftermath, worried about safety, electricity restoration, and the possibility of further attacks. Analysts warn that the situation remains fluid and could escalate further if tensions between Washington and Caracas continue to rise. As the city tries to recover from the shock of Saturday's events, the world is watching closely. The explosions in Caracas serve as a reminder of the instability in the region and the high stakes of ongoing international pressure, leaving many to hope for calm while preparing for the unexpected in a city that has suddenly found itself under a new wave of alarm.